Hi, Iconic. It's nice to meet you. How can I assist you today?
Hi Arya, it's really nice to meet you.
Hello. My name is actually Arya, not Adia. How can I help you today?
Thank you for your correction, Arya.
You're welcome, Iconic. It's important to get names right. How can I assist you today?
Tell me, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and going for walks in nature. I also like to try out new recipes and cook delicious meals. Additionally, I love spending time with friends and family, whether it's going out for a meal or simply having a good chat. How about you?
Wow, it is like a human. Oh my god. So amazing and helpful application it is. Just download Sivi, please. It will really help you to make a conversation upbeat or to know how to talk or how to discuss with any topic with someone. So let's start calling someone. Connect with real people. Okay, great. I have friends on this application named John. So let's call John. Hello. Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. How are you?
Yes, I am doing well. And are you John, right?
Yes, I'm John.
Okay, great.
And what's your name?
My name is, actually I have a YouTube channel, iconicindra. That's why I named here icon as iconic. But my name is Indra. You can call me Indra.
Oh, okay. So you have a YouTube channel, Indra?
Yes. My YouTube channel name is iconicindra. So please subscribe.
Yeah, definitely I'll subscribe, Indra. All the best.
Thank you. Where are you from, basically?
I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Okay,
What about
Chennai. Great. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. Nice to talk to you.
Yeah, same here, Indra.
Yes, and it is the only possible to connect with you or to connect with all the co-learners all over the world. It's all about Speakify. So Speakify, aka Sivi, newly named, it is wonderful application. Are you agree with that?
Definitely, like, even I have friends from Kerala and Jammu and Kashmir also.
Oh wow, so nice.
Yeah.
So what?
How long have you been using it?
Oh yes, I have been using this application last 2 weeks from now, and it is really amazing application because using this application, and also I have been speaking English with all the co-learners all over the India through this application. So thanks to this application, Sivi.
Yeah, I agree with that. Like, this provides a good platform to connect with a lot of people.
Absolutely. And so John, can you tell me that is this application is helpful to the viewers or to the English learners?
Yeah, absolutely. This application is very helpful because earlier I'm not like very confident. But
Yeah.
now, like, I talk to co-learners frequently. So which helps me to like come out of my fear and nervousness. So I'm very confident while speaking. Also, like, there's this AI tutor which like helps me with different conversations.
Yeah, that's true.
I use that regularly.
Wow, that's good because this is the special feature in this application, that is you can talk to AI. So, and also it will really help you to boost your confidence in speaking English. So you can also practice your English inside room. So it is very beneficial for me, I think, and all over the it is beneficial for all the English learners.
Yeah, definitely.
Now you can rate that how was your conversation was on this application. So I can say, yeah, good talk, good experience. It was a little long conversation, so I can select long conversation. Now review, add your review. How was this application, or how was the calling feature of this application? What's your review on this? So I will review that it was really nice. Thanks to Sivi. And also I will rate 5. Now you can share this application with your family, friends or friends on WhatsApp. Also there is an amazing feature. I was talking with my friend John on the call. That is Arya, AI teacher. So let's try this. Get feedback. Okay. You can select your level topic wise, like beginner or intermediate or advanced. I choose intermediate. And also there are some guidelines. You can check it out how it works. Pick your topic of interest. Okay, like if you are beginner, then you can choose beginner level topic, or if you are intermediate, then you can choose intermediate level topic. Okay, so pick your topic of interest. Talk about the topic with Arya, like humans. Wow, this is really amazing feature of this application Sivi. And practice 4 hours daily. Oh my god. Possibilities of AI Arya. What are the possibilities of this Arya AI human? Get instant grammar feedback. Nice. Get hints in conversation. Cool. Get detailed feedback history. Very nice. And speak 15 sentences on multiple topics. Wow. Free flow conversation. Okay. Now I have chosen my topic. Daily routine. And there are a lot of topics like discussing an imaginary situation, describing a movie experience, family and relationships, talk about life goals, I need your opinion, talk about your career plans. Wow, so nice. A lot of topics, so many topics to discuss with Arya, the AI human. Okay, so I will choose daily routine. Nice. Now talk to Arya. I'm really excited how it will go.
Hi, Iconic. It's nice to meet you. How can I assist you today?
Hi Arya. It's really nice to meet you.
Hello. My name is actually Arya, not Adia. How can I help you today?
Thank you for your correction, Arya.
You're welcome, Iconic. It's important to get names right. How can I assist you today?
I just want to talk to you about your daily routine. Really interesting.
Sure. I'd be happy to share my daily routine with you. What specific activities do you want to know about?
And also there is grammar feedback, you can check that I simply want to discuss. I said that I just want to talk to you about your daily routine, and Arya said that I simply want to discuss your daily routine with you. Very nice. Tell me, what do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and going for walks in nature. I also like to try out new recipes and cook delicious meals. Additionally, I love spending time with friends and family, whether it's going out for a meal or simply having a good chat. How about you?
Wow, it is like a human. Oh my god. So amazing and helpful application it is. Just download Sivi, please. It will really help you to make a conversation upbeat, or to know how to talk or how to discuss with any topic with someone. Oh my god. In my free time, I enjoy listening to music. Okay, I have to talk. Okay, I have to talk fast. Okay. Let's try again. In my free time, I enjoy listening to music, drawing or painting. Okay. In my free time, I enjoy listening to music, drawing. Cool.
That sounds wonderful. Listening to music and drawing are great ways to relax and express your creativity. What kind of music do you like to listen to while drawing? And do you have any favorite subjects or styles when it comes to your artwork?
Wow, so deep questions the AI human asked me. Oh my god, it is really never seen application or never use application. I will strongly suggest you, please download this application and practice your speaking English on a daily basis with the AI. The AI person, Arya, will help you improve your spoken English to the next level. Really. Oh my god. I have never imagined like this. Wow, what kind of music do you like to listen to while drawing? Thoughtful question the AI asked. See. And also the AI asked that, do you have any favorite subjects or style when it comes to your artwork? It is really deep question asked by the AI. And if you speak or if you practice your English with this AI, it will automatically enhance your skill, enhance your thinking ability to learn English, to speak English, to expand your thinking. Believe me and download this application. It will help you tremendously. You can't imagine that. I will definitely use this application to practice my spoken English inside room. Oh my god, such a nice teacher, Arya AI teacher. Thank you. Such a wonderful application. Really, I am really pleased to promote such application, Sivi. It will really helpful and beneficial for all the English learners throughout the India, throughout the world. Believe me and start practicing your spoken English today.